Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to share a calendar and manage permissions in Outlook. This is incredibly useful when you need to coordinate schedules with colleagues, give your team access to important dates, or simply let someone view your availability without constant back and forth emails. Let's walk through this step by step. First, start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account. Wait for your emails to fully load before moving forward. This ensures that all your account features, including your calendar, are properly synced and ready to use. Once your emails have loaded, it's time to access your calendar. Look toward the bottom part of your screen where you'll find the calendar icon and click on it. This will switch your view from your inbox to your calendar interface, opening up all the scheduling and sharing tools you'll need. After clicking on the calendar option, you'll notice your menu has changed completely. You should now be able to see various calendar management options. Before we jump into sharing the calendar, it's important to manage permissions first. This step ensures you have full control over what others can see and do with your calendar. Look for the calendar permissions option and click on it. A permissions window will appear, giving you detailed control over access levels. In the permissions window, you can set the permission level using the drop-down menu. This lets you choose whether someone can just view your calendar, edit appointments, or have full control. You'll also see read and write options that allow you to fine-tune exactly what actions are permitted. If you need to add specific contacts who should have these permissions, simply click on the Add button and select the people you want to grant access to. Once you've configured everything under permissions to match your preferences, click on OK to save these settings. This confirms your choices and applies them immediately. Now that permissions are properly configured, it's time to actually share your calendar. Click on the Share Calendar icon, which you can now clearly see in your menu. This will direct you to an email composition window, and you'll notice that your selected calendar details are already added to the message. This makes the sharing process seamless and automatic. From here, simply fill in the To field with the email address of the recipient you want to share your calendar with. You can add multiple recipients if needed. Once you've entered everyone who should receive calendar access, click on Send. The invitation will be sent out immediately, and recipients will be able to accept and view your calendar according to the permissions you set earlier. And that's it. You've successfully configured permissions and shared your calendar in Outlook, giving others the exact level of access you want them to have. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.